Okay, for those of you that have a MAC1014, Military Armaments Corporation 1014, and want to put in a Freedom Fighters tactical trigger, there are some things you need to know. This is the Freedom Fighters tactical trigger kit. What it comes with, you get the trigger, the disconnector, and the hammer, and the springs. It is different from the MAC1014 trigger and disconnector. Here is the MAC1014, and if you notice right here is different. There is no pin for the disconnector. The disconnector slides. Look at it right side up. Oh, I had it backwards. The disconnector just slides into that little slot right there. That's a difference. So what you will need to do is order a pin, because the disconnector pin does not come with it. It is available from Freedom Fighters Tactical. You got it here, and it's $17. Now, when I went to order mine, they didn't have it in stock, so I ordered mine from Midwest Gunworks, and it had the symbol for Benelli, the original symbol, so I assumed it was the original one. Now, when I received the new pin, the pin fit perfectly in the hole in the trigger, but it did not fit in the hole in the disconnector. I measured them, the hole in the disconnector was actually a little bit smaller. So I actually had to use a set of drill bits that I have. I've got a good drill press and a cross slide vise, and I was actually able to ream this out an extra 1/2 of a thousandth of an inch. Now it fits perfect. Then once I put it in, I brought the shotgun to the range. It would fire, it would cycle the new shell into the chamber, but it would not fire the second shell. What it turned out to be was the plunger for the disconnector. Here is the original one from the MAC1014, and here is the one from Freedom Fighters Tactical. The plunger for the Freedom Fighters Tactical is 47 thousandths of an inch longer than the one that came with the MAC1014. So I had to go back and order a plunger from Freedom Fighters Tactical, which was just $17, not much more. Put that in, brought it to the range, and it works perfectly. So those are just two things you need to remember. You need to order the pin and the plunger if you switch into the Freedom Fighters Tactical trigger. Good luck.